Episode 4. Welcome to Bird Island in Lamberts Bay, one of South Africa's true coastal treasures. Just a short walk across a causeway from the mainland. This tiny island is home to one of only 6 Cape Gannet breeding colonies in the world, and the only one easily accessible to the public. Trip Lifer number 9. Lifer number 470.
Cape Gannet.
Ons is nou by die malgasse. Verleef net die oulike voël. Hulle is so happy. Hulle nie rondte. Kloksgewys, net hier en daar is daar een dommetjie wat bietjie regsom gaan. Jy weet, daar's mos maar altyd daai konspirasies wat ergens in die verkeerde rigting in rondloop.
Hulle warm op, daar gaat hulle, gaat, daar sê. Mooi man.
In this video, we'll take a closer look at the life of the Cape Gannet, explore their behaviors, and share some stunning moments from our recent visiting, including a rare sighting of an unexpected visitor from Australia. Every year, around 15,000 pairs of Cape Gannets gather here to breed, nest, and raise their young. With their snow-white plumage, golden crowns, and dramatic dive-bombing skills, these seabirds put on one of the most spectacular natural shows on the West Coast.
The Cape Gannet is endemic to southern Africa. There are only 3 major breeding colonies in South Africa: Bird Island, Lamberts Bay, Bird Island, Algoa Bay, and Malgas Island, Saldanha Bay.
Bird Island was once abandoned by the Gannets due to human disturbance and guano scraping. Conservation efforts, including building shelters and limiting access, brought them back in the 1980s. The hide and viewing areas allow for close-up observation without disturbing the birds, something rare for a seabird colony of this size.
Sadly, the species is listed as endangered due to declining fish stocks, especially sardines and anchovies, climate change, and disturbance at breeding colonies.
Gannets have air sacs in their face and chest to cushion the impact when diving. They use visual fishing and have excellent eyesight. Even from high altitudes, Cape Gannets can live up to 20 years in the wild. Their name comes from the Old English word gannet, meaning strong swimmer.
Cape Gannets are large, striking seabirds with white plumage, black-tipped wings, and a golden-yellow crown. Known for their spectacular plunge dives, Cape Gannets can dive from 30 meters high, hitting the water at speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. A breeding pair typically raises only 1 chick per season, and both parents take turns incubating the egg and feeding the chick.
Trip Lifer number 10. Lifer number 471.
Australasian Gannet. The surprise guest. Australian Gannet. The Australian Gannet is typically found in New Zealand, and southern Australia. It looks very similar to the Cape Gannet, but careful observation reveals differences in eye-ring colour and plumage shading. Only about 6 individual Australian gannets have ever been recorded in South Africa, and you were lucky enough to see one. Your sighting of an Australian gannet at Bird Island is incredibly rare and should be logged with a local birding community, or eBird. It's a lifer and a possible vagrant sighting.
Dapat masih on the ground, dan moet je kom dat van links. Kom dat Kom boys, dis volgende. Okay, go for it. Niks, that's it.
To witness these elegant divers in their natural habitat, up close and personal, was an unforgettable experience. And seeing one of the rare Australian gannets among them was the cherry on top. Bird Island truly is one of the gems of South Africa's wild coastline.
And as we drift from the cliffs and bid the gannets farewell, the sea calls us onward. Join us in episode 5 as we follow the wild west coast to Lamberts Bay and the serene embrace of Lamberts Bay.